The future of health begins with asking better questions. So we asked better questions. Like, how come we let the air inside our homes, where we spend 90% of our time, be 5 times more polluted than the air outside our homes?
They say that only a madman does the same action 10 times, expecting different results. So how come we have hundreds of systems that try to clean our indoor environment by merely filtering the air?
Everyone focused on the air because it's the easy thing to do.
But mold, bacteria, and other allergens actually reside on surfaces and pollute the air after they become airborne.
Everyone uses filtering devices to tackle polluted air without getting to the source of the contamination. We said, why not spread healthy environmental probiotics
That attack pollutants on surfaces where they originate.
Everyone's fighting nature. We said, how about collaborating with it instead? So we let nature do the fighting for us. We were already using probiotics to rebalance our guts.
So we introduced the betterair systems that also use environmental probiotics to rebalance the ecosystem around us.
By overdosing ourselves with antibiotics, we created superbugs that prey on the weak. We said, why not create a super-friendly biome by introducing more probiotics indoors and make it organic, safe, and efficient? So we did.
Everyone thought filtering the air is enough. We said, why not treat the source of asthma and allergies? Everyone sucks. We said, why not spray? At some point, everyone took a left turn. We made a right. Everyone thinks they're doing good. We know we can do better and make it safe and efficient.
betterair, ecological balancing and purification for the indoor generation.